issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Tarrant County in north central Texas until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Haltom City, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Haltom City and Watauga around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Richmond Hills around 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hurst around 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.